Hey everyone, Marcus here. So during your driving test, you're going to be asked to do one of 4 reversing maneuvers. In this video, we're going to look up parking on the right and reversing exercise. Check it out. So firstly, let's look at why you would do this in real life. There are a couple of circumstances why you would do this, all right? So you could be driving along and there would be parking on the right-hand side of the road in a residential area and no parking on the left. And this is one example of this. And then again, you could be driving down a residential street. You can see that all of the vehicles are parked up on the right-hand side and none are parked on the left. This is so you don't create tight gaps and chicanes on narrow roads. So again, another real-world example of this. So let's look at the maneuver itself then. So as you drive into the street where you know you're going to want to park, you want to find yourself a nice, safe, convenient and legal place to park. Once you've done this, check your internal and right door mirror to make sure it's safe to maneuver, signal up for right, and then proceed to cross the road to your selected parking space, making sure you don't cover any driveways. Once you are securely parked, apply the handbrake and select neutral. Now, the reversing up part of this maneuver is simulating if you are parked tightly up against a car in front of you. So to do this, you're going to put the car into reverse, take effective observations all around you to make sure it's nice and safe. Remembering, guys, you are the hazard, and any other vehicles coming towards you may not be aware that you are moving. So if there are any vehicles coming down either from behind or in front of you, just stay put until they're passed. Again, the same with any pedestrians, especially if anybody's got any pets, dogs or kids with them. Once it's safe, start reversing. Nice and slow, using good clutch control and checking your right mirror to check the distance between the vehicle and the curb, and effective all-round observations to make sure it's safe around the vehicle. Once you've reversed up approximately 2 car lengths, stop the vehicle, place the car into first gear, effective observations, so blind spot checks as we call them. Check from your right-hand side this time because you're on the right-hand side of the road and you always check curb side first. Checking over to your right, all the way around in your mirrors to your left-hand side. And if it's safe, signal on to let people know you are coming from the right-hand side of the road back over to the left-hand side of the road. And when it's safe, proceed to drive on. When you're halfway across, check over your left shoulder again just to double check and then drive on safely. So that's it, guys. That's the pull up on the right-hand side to park and reverse up approximately 2 car lengths exercise. And a couple of real-world examples of doing this. So if you like the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks very much. See you. Bye-bye.